We are so excited to get this spring cleaning done. That dust storm left piles of dirt and dust everywhere. It left a terrible dusty layer all over our house. We're going to get our house washed down and clean. Alan is going to get all of the hoses unrolled and stretched out. They've been all coiled up all winter long. We love cleaning down the entire house every spring. It's so nice and refreshing to have it all clean. As you can see, all of the dirt and dust all along the window ledges and all over the patio furniture. Our front door is covered with dust as well. I'm going to get everything moved out of the way so we can get this all washed up and clean. My goodness, what a mess. Look how much dirt is rinsing down off of the house. We have to wash the entire house after this storm. This is something we do every spring. We even rinse all the rocks in the yard and all the bushes to get all the dust off that accumulated over the course of the dusty winter. And there's a tumbleweed in the street. We also changed our furnace filters. We need to take everything out of our outdoor kitchen and get it all cleaned down as well. Everything is super dusty and dirty. We are going to get our fountain all clean and washed so that we can start using it again this spring. These chair covers are so dirty. I'm going to get these all washed down so that we can enjoy sitting outside this spring. We also took the window screens off, and we'll give these a really good wash and let them dry really well before putting them back on. Big windows let a lot of nice light into the house, but they sure are a lot to keep clean. I'm going to get all of this furniture scrubbed down really good with some hot soapy water. That way we can rinse it off, and when it dries we'll be able to come out and enjoy this outdoor space. Now I'll get everything rinsed down so that it can dry. It's such a beautiful sunny day.